Students, in this video we are going to discuss the summary of the poem The Laburnum Top by Ted House. The poet Ted House describes how the laburnum tree's top is silent, lifeless in the absence of goldfinch, and the coming of the sweet singing yellow bird makes all the differences. Goldfinch comes and makes the sudden and startlement, and it comes at the branch of the tree and makes the tree different from that of the silence. The tree comes to life with chirpings, chittering and trillings. When the bird comes, the tree comes to life when the bird makes the different sounds of chirpings, chitterings and trillings. But the same laburnum tree becomes empty and silent again the moment the bird flies away. At the end of the bird flies away and the tree remains silent. So student, the main point, you can see the main point of the poem. The laburnum top is silent and empty. Its leaves are turning yellow and all the seeds have fallen. Then comes the goldfinch, and with its arrival all kinds of sounds and activities starts on the tree. The yellow singing bird comes suddenly and abruptly. It explodes into all kinds of chitterings and trillings. The laburnum tree comes to life and excitement. The bird hides itself among leaves and flits from one branch to the other. Finally, it flies away in the sky. The bird takes away all sweet sounds and trills with it, and it keeps the laburnum tree empty and silent again. So student, these are the important point, and on the basis of these point you can note down the summary of the poem The Laburnum Top. So thank you for watching. And student, one thing is remaining, that is we have one stanza with you, that the laburnum top is silent, still quite still in the afternoon yellow September sunlight, a few leaves yellowing, all its seeds fallen. On the basis of this stanza we have some important multiple choice questions. Student, you can see them. So the laburnum top is, you can answer it easily. Next, the time of the day described is, so you can also answer the question on the basis of the reading. How does September sunlight appears? So you can answer the question very easily. Next, a few leaves. Here are 4 options that you have to answer. From these options you have to select only one. Now thank you for watching the video and keep your study up. Thank you. Have a nice time.